Welcome to this music collection tutorial. So on this tutorial I will show you how you can edit musical information on your music collection library. So many times when you import music you have some little changes to be made, and I will show how you can do this with music collection. So for this demonstration I have chosen two different albums which are here without any cover art information. So you can see this because you have this LP like display. So that means that the music collection has no information regarding cover art to display. So let me select one disc right now and go to the edit option. Okay, so it displays this new window. So here you can change the name of the disc. You can edit the musician here. You can change the year when the music was released, and you have information for each unique track. So you can check track number, duration. Obviously, it's fixed. You can change also the name of the music. Disc number, if you have an album which is made of different discs, you can enter his disc number. And the rating, so you can change the rating here, or it can display the rating you already have chosen for this for this music. So you can edit anything you want here. So I think for the this yeah, and last but not least, you can change the genre of the musical genre. So you have a combo list here. You can choose from this list. But if you cannot find good information, you can just enter one new, and it will be taken into account. And now it should appear on the list of the genre you can take into account. You can see here. So in this case, I will change because it's not relevant information. Okay, so now you can see here you have this default display. So let me try to find something to display here. So I will click on the right click on the image, and the first free option is how you can input music on for this disk. So first one is add cover from file. So basically we'll open a window when you can look for images on your hard drive. So let's imagine this is a good artwork. So I will choose image and will be imported here. So once I have image, I have more option to be chosen here. So one, you can rotate the image if the image is not in the good orientation when you import it. You can also split the image, so it can be helpful when you have something here which is a scan from a booklet, and you have two pages. So splitting this like this, you will have one page by image. So now I have multiple images. So one good thing is that music collection can handle multiple images, and you can see here. So you have two images for the same disk, and so you can have complete booklet in your collection. So if you want to read information while you listen to the music, it's something possible. So now I have image. So I show you how you can split, rotate, and you can obviously move. So in this case, I was not interested in this image, so I will remove. Other option which is helpful is browse cover on the internet. So in this option, it will in fact open Google image search, looking for information relevant. So he will look for name and these artists, and in fact it's quite good because in this case he was able to find the good artwork. So I can go here, copy, use the paste option, and now I have the cover art I wanted for this disc. So it's pretty cool. And another cool option is look find cover from web services. So MusicCollection can connect to Amazon Web Services and Discog Web Services looking for information for specific CD. So it's information, it can be the year, it can be the name of the artist, it can be additional information, it can be many things in fact. So you will be able to enrich the information you have here from the net. So it's connected. Once I click, it's connecting and asking for information to Discog or Amazon. So this can take a little bit time because he has to download. So he can download some information from the internet. So we have to wait for this to stop. Okay, and now we have some candidates. So it's pretty cool if and free CDs. In fact, one from Amazon, you can see here, and two other from Discog. In fact, two albums were the correct one. So I can choose the one I want here and just click here to import the data from internet. So in this case, he will copy the cover art because all the information is the same. So now I have two images. I can delete one, for example, and here we are. I am happy with my cover art. I will validate the change, and the change will be also this will update the ID3 tag of the MP3 file. So then if you use the other software, the information will be there too. So it's pretty cool. So let me try to more information also for the second disk. So let's do the same thing. Let's find some information from web services. So once again, it's something that can take some time because if he finds some cover art, he will download it to display it to you. So let's see if he's able to find something. So you have some feedback here, and while the arrows are rotating, admin is looking for something. Okay, good. He was able to find something. This is the good album, John Cornelius Cardew. And what you can see here, there is two arrows, in fact, here, and in the bottom on the left, it means that he find multiple images for the same disk. So cool. So I will go here and import. Okay, so we can see now here I can zoom on the image. Let's say that I don't want to see this image. It's the interior of the CD. I don't want to see it, so I will remove it. Okay, so it looks like the back cover. So I can drag and drop it and change the order here. It's pretty cool. So okay, it's in good order now. This one, and this one. Okay, so I will validate the change, and I have update my files. So I think that's the main information I want to show you about how you can edit disk.